Hi, I'm Eric, Customer Success Manager here at Anker DB, and today I'm going to show you a very cool validation workflow. So the problem here is that the building owner is using a classification system where they have predefined component codes. So all of these component codes are in Excel spreadsheet, and they want to be sure that their designers are just using the allowed component codes from this Excel spreadsheet. And of course, this Excel spreadsheet is going to be updated once in a while. And if you see my screen now, I have uploaded a few IFCs and one CSV file. And if we look at the CSV, it just contains a bunch of component codes, which are the allowed codes in this project. So I uploaded my CSV file, my IFC files, and then I will head over to relationship. And in relationship, I'm actually connecting the CSV with my IFC data. So here I need one matching parameter or one key in both datasets. So here I have chosen the component code Excel, which is this column here. So I'm connecting this column or these values with all of my IFC files, and the component or the parameter in these IFC files are component code. Then I'm linking this together, and when this is linked, I have built this relationship. Then I can head over to validation. I will create one from scratch, call them allowed codes. And here I could specify which file I want to use. And now I'm going to filter out my CSV file because I will only work with IFC. And you can also filter out IFC entities, but for now I'm going to do all IFC entities. And now I'm actually validating the link between my two data sets. So this one is created when I link it together with relationship, and I will do exist. And to be able to use the result more accurate, I will add some filters such as name, and we can also use IFC entity, and that's it. I hit validate. We have roughly around 200,000 elements that are passing with the right code, but we also have 21,000 elements that are not using the right code. And right now you can only see that they are red because they don't have any code or it's the wrong code. But then we can actually, if I expand IFC entity, then I can see which entity the failing elements are. Like IFC beam, we have 13 doors, we have 2. And then you can also expand name if you want to see more information about the elements that are failing. And of course, a file is added by default, so you can always see which files the elements are coming from.